What's up, traders? Welcome back to another insane trading session where we're taking the market head-on. Today, I'm about to show you something unbelievable. Flipping $5,000 into $14,500 in just minutes using my AI-powered trading bot. No guesswork, no emotions, just smart, calculated trading. If you've been struggling with bad trades, it's time to see how real profits are made. Let's get straight into it. All right, we're starting strong with a $5,000 trade. The bot has detected a perfect entry based on high probability signals, and we're locking it in now. Watch this. The bot is analyzing price action, volume spikes, and momentum like a pro. And there it is. Boom! First trade secured, and we just jumped from $5,000 to $9,600 in a matter of seconds. This is what precision trading looks like. Let's keep the momentum going. The bot is scanning again, identifying another golden opportunity. What makes this bot so powerful is its ability to adapt in real time. While most traders hesitate, my AI executes with laser accuracy. Here we go, trade number 2. And just like that, another win. We're now at $12,000. This is how the pros trade. No emotions, no stress, just results. Now let's go for the final boost. One last trade to push us past $14,500. The bot is locked in, the setup is perfect, and we're live. And there it is, $14,500 in just minutes. We just turned $5,000 into a massive profit right before your eyes. And the best part? This AI bot does it all automatically, analyzing real-time market conditions and executing trades with unmatched accuracy. Now, here's the real question. Are you ready to trade smart and make real money? If you want to experience this power yourself, head to our website right now. Limited time offers are running, and we're even offering free demo sessions for those who ask. Don't miss this opportunity. The future of trading is here, and you can be a part of it. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and drop a comment if you want to see more insane live trading action. Let's keep winning together. See you in the next one.